Hi students, welcome to third standard science class today's session. Lesson 6, different foods we eat. Today's session we are going to learn about importance of water for our healthy body. Let us go into the session. We are going to learn lesson 6, different foods we eat. Topic, water. Now let us learn what are the importance of water for our body. Water carries nutrients to all cells in our body and oxygen to our brain. Water allows the body to absorb and assimilate minerals, vitamins, amino acids, glucose, and other substances. Water flushes out toxins and waste. Water helps to regulate body temperature. Drinking enough water is also part of a balanced diet. Water is very important because it helps to maintain normal body temperature. It helps in digestion of food. It is required for removal of waste from our body in the form of sweat and urine. It is needed for making blood. All food contains some water, but we lose a lot of water through sweat and urine. So, we must drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day to stay healthy. Water is very important for our body because it composes 75% of your brain, regulates your body temperature, makes up 83% of your blood, removes waste, composes 22% of your bones, cushions your joints, helps carry nutrients and oxygen to your cells, moistens oxygen for breathing, helps convert food to energy, protects and cushions your vital organs, helps your body absorb nutrients, makes up 75% of your muscles. This picture will explain how water works in our body. Water moisturizes tissues for mouth, eyes and nose, protects body organs and tissues, helps prevent constipation, helps dissolve minerals and other nutrients to make them accessible to the body, regulates body temperature, lubricants joints, reduces the burden of kidneys and liver by flushing out waste products, carrying nutrients and oxygen to cells. What happens if we drink less water? Water also contributes to regular bowel functions, optimal muscle performance, and clear, youthful looking skin. However, failing to drink enough water can cause dehydration and adverse symptoms including headache, weakened immunity, and dry skin. You typically get about 20% of the water you need from the food you eat. Virtually all food has some water in it. Natural whole food have the highest water content. Fruits and vegetables contain 80 to 98% of water. Eating dense vegetables such as cucumbers, tomatoes, beets, carrots with a meal or a snack is one of the easiest ways to improve your hydration. Cucumber are made up of 96% of water, that is the highest water content of any food. They are also low in calories and a source of vitamins and fiber. Read the clues and rearrange the alphabets to find the names of the food item that contain a lot of water. The first clue is we should drink it every day. Which food item? The second one is it is a juicy fruit. The third one is we eat this in salad. The fourth clue is it is rich source of vitamin C. Let us check our answers. So for the first one, we should drink it every day. The food item is milk. It is a juicy fruit. The food item is orange. The third one is we eat this in salad. The food item is cucumber. The fourth one is it is a rich source of vitamin C. The food item is lemon. So children, giving a body enough fluids to carry out those tasks means that you are staying hydrated. If you don't drink enough water each day, you risk becoming dehydrated. Warning signs of dehydration include weakness, low blood pressure, confusion, or urine that's dark in color. I hope you got clear information about the importance of water. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.